Hey there, fellow green enthusiasts. Today, I'm here to talk about a humble little plant that often gets overlooked, purslane. Yep, that's right, this green beauty right here. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that just a weed? Well, my friends, think again. Purslane might grow amongst the grass, but it's no ordinary weed. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. Purslane, often seen as a nuisance in the US, is a globally recognized weed with significant health benefits, from heart health to tackling osteoporosis. It thrives in harsh climates, making it a resilient choice for gardeners. First off, let's talk about its nutritional value. Purslane is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as essential minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium. It's like nature's multivitamin. But wait, there's more. Did you know that purslane is one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids? That's right, it's good for your heart and your brain. Who needs fish oil when you've got purslane? Purslane has shown promise in managing diabetes and aiding in weight loss for those with high BMI. It's a powerhouse of calcium and magnesium, essential for robust bone health and combating osteoporosis. Beyond these, early research suggests purslane could aid in wound healing, liver and gastrointestinal health, and fighting infections. Now, I know what you're thinking. Where can I get my hands on some of this green goodness? Well, the good news is, purslane is often right under our noses, growing in our own backyard. You heard me, it's probably lurking amongst the grass in your lawn as we speak. So, instead of treating it like a nuisance, why not embrace it? Incorporate purslane into your salads, sandwiches, or smoothies for a nutritious boost that'll have you feeling like $1,000,000. Trust me, folks, once you start adding purslane to your diet, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So, here's to embracing the green, one purslane leaf at a time. Thanks a bunch for stopping by. If this video was helpful, why not sprinkle some love on that subscribe button? Join our journey. Your support truly means everything.